Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Allie Loves to Plan. Today we're going to be doing a flip through of our updated holiday setup for my LV agenda. So if you'd like to see that, stick around. Alright, so I'm super excited to show you the update of the LV agenda. I went ahead and updated her with all of the holiday cheer. We have our Santa's workshop going on here. So I really hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comments about any of the items found within my planner. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box in case you are interested. I do have some discount codes, so go ahead and take advantage of those. So let's get started. So this is our LV agenda. When we last saw her, we did an unboxing. Still a very chunky planner. I absolutely love her. I've been using her every single day and it has been working out great. It is my catch-all planner for everything and she's still in mint condition. I absolutely love my LV and I am so happy that I bought this planner. So let's open her up. First thing you will notice here is the update of everything in the front. I did go ahead and give it a makeover for the holiday and I absolutely love how it turned out. So on this side here, this is a card from Jane's Agenda, which actually came with the latest December sub box. And in the back, it has everything that came in the box, but I really like this reindeer design. So I just went ahead and clipped it here and set it up there. We also got this really pretty reindeer paper clip. I went ahead and just clipped it here for aesthetics and I think it looks really cute. I bought these here, this one that says, "They can't knock a woman off a pedestal, she built herself." The front here, I went ahead and created my own dashboard here in the front. I keep a bookmark. This came with the latest Jane's Agenda subscription box, so that sometimes I need to bookmark a specific area. Right now I'm not using this one, but I really liked what it said, so I went ahead and kept it here. It says, "Out with the old, in with the mold." I thought this was very appropriate for the end of the year, start of the new year, which is coming. Can't believe it's already December, but I'm very excited because December is my favorite month of the year. I feel like December is just the most magical month of the year, and that's why I love it so much. Then I have 3 cards here. I went ahead and bought some of the card slots, and then I just trimmed them down and put them down here so that I could fit 3 with the one on the side, and I think it looks really aesthetically pleasing. So I just have a me time card here. That's from Planners Anonymous. The background that you see there is where the paper clip came. I just cut it down to size and put it there. I thought that fit really nicely. And then I really like this one from Jane's Agenda. It says, "Dear Santa, before I explain, how much do you already know?" We want to make sure we're not telling Santa too much, right? So I thought that was really cute. So I put that there. And then this one says, "To make an end is to make a beginning." So I thought that was very appropriate for this time of year as well. So that is just set on a clear acetate sheet here. And then in the back, I haven't put anything. I'm thinking I'll probably put like 3 additional cards here and maybe a long one. I don't know yet, but for now I like the way that it looks. And then it opens up and you can see she's very chunky, but she still sits perfectly. The rings are not in any way opening or being damaged. I can still turn it easily. So I don't even have any of the marks here on this side because though it's chunky, it's not super tight to a point where I can't close it. I can easily close and open the agenda. So I've also kept track that I'm not going to be leaving any marks here on the side because I do want to take care of it. I don't baby it or anything. So back to the setup. In the front here, we have this really nice vellum that you could see here. It's from Jane's Agenda and it has some snowflakes. In the back, I've paired it with this really nice vellum from Planner Press that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And I just thought that together, the three looked really nice. So then this one behind it, we have this paper dashboard that has the cherries on it with some snow. It just looks really, really pretty. This also came with the December Jane's Agenda subscription box. If you're interested in signing up, giving it a try, I do have a discount code linked down below that you can use for Jane's Agenda. Next part here, I've gone ahead and placed my 2021 Year at a Glance calendar here already. I did have a 2020, but I moved that one more towards my monthly to keep track of the dates and so forth, but I went ahead and moved this one to the front. And then this here, if found, please return to. This is new from Jane's Agenda. Again, this came with a sub box and it's a perpetual calendar. This is something new that they hadn't done before, but I think it's really, really cute. For now, I haven't sat down to fill it up yet because I'm still trying to determine what I'm going to do with it exactly. And then in the back, it does have 2021 holidays. So all of the major holidays are listed here in the back. Then here I just have This Agenda Belongs To, and in the back, I have a Take Care of Yourself from Planners Anonymous. I really love this one, and it's a good reminder to stop and do some self-care, so I keep that here as a reminder. Next section is the meal planning section. So here I have this vellum that says, "In winter I plot and plan, in spring I move." I thought this was really, really cute, so I went ahead and paired that with these trees here in the back, and that's how I have that one set up. This section did change a little bit, so I have now grocery lists that I pull out throughout the week. I'll write down things that I need to buy, and then I'll just pull out this list. Makes it really easy. It's broken up into sections, and then I just take this with me to the store, check it off as I'm going along, and I have all the groceries that I need. And then the following week I have another one. So I keep 3 in here at a time so that the planner's not too bulked up, and that's how I have that set up. And then I did some meal planning because I started doing more meal planning, and then these are some different recipes that I've been working with and preparing, and I have how long it takes for each one. They're all absolutely delicious, so I just have them written down here, and I've been cooking away, having fun, enjoying a lot of these recipes. Next is our notes section. So here I made this vellum. I started creating some vellums and some new deco for the planner. This is my creation. I put some notes, and then it has notes here. I thought that was super cute. And then I have this set up with this sweater background here. So very appropriate for the winter. And I thought that looks really nice. And this is just a note section. The next section is for cleaning and chores. So this one still has the vellum from Planner Press, which says, "I can't decide if I need a hug, a large coffee, 6 shots of vodka, or 2 weeks of sleep." I feel like that as the year is coming to an ending. I really need a vacation, so hopefully I'll be taking one soon. And then we've paired that with this nice red buffalo plaid in the back from Jane's Agenda, and I think they look really, really nice. So it's perfect for the holidays with the color. Next section is my social media section, everything under Allie Loves to Plan. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything. And coming soon, a surprise there for you guys that, as I mentioned, I've been working on some vellums and some new stuff. So keep an eye out for that. Here I've paired this one with this really pretty vellum. It has a gift here and then some snow and some additional holiday color. And in the back I have kept my setting intentions with the moon, as this is for October, November, and December for the last quarter. So I kept that here. And in the back I did a black and white buffalo plaid, and I think they look really nice together. It just pairs it well. I love how the moon peeks through here and you can still see the buffalo plaid in the back. Next is my finance section. And this one, I just went ahead and put behind my self-made here this really pretty setup. I really like how this looks, the colors, everything, and paired together. I think it's just perfect because if you can see, the lights kind of shine through here, and I thought that was really, really appropriate and super cute. So I went ahead and put those together. In my personal section, you guys know I have my coffee girl. Can't be without my coffee for personal, but I went ahead and set her up with some champagne glasses here in the back, some gifts, and I think some snow here. And I think that looks really, really cool together because she's still kind of the center of attention here. You can still read the coffee, but we have the accented colors there in the back. For the monthly, we have our simplicity quote here, and then we went ahead and paired that with this beautiful pine tree, all of the pine cones here from all the pine branches, not pine cones, sorry, from the tree. And I think that looks really, really pretty. The back is the same, and together it just perfect, nice little fit there. This is one of my favorites, absolutely, from the setup. So I have my success quote from Planner Press, and I've paired it with this beautiful window here looking out into a very snowy day. Has two candles here. I absolutely love this one, but more than anything, I love the way that it looks paired with this vellum. I think Jane's Agenda did an amazing job with this one, and I mean, I love all of Jane's Agenda dashboards, but this particular one paired together with this one, I think it's perfect. I love opening up my weekly every week. The first thing I see is this quote, and now with this background, I think it just looks gorgeous. And then these are just extra stickers that I have for my weekly as I'm planning. Then this is my work section, which I absolutely also love the way that it turned out. So here, this is updated. I bought this vellum here from Noted, and it says coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. I thought this was perfect for work. The vellum is really, really thick and really nice. Definitely recommend her shop. The shipping was really, really quick, and I really love how it turned out. I ordered a few dashboards. You'll see another one right now in a second that I ordered from her, and I paired this one with this really pretty vellum as well. This one is from Planner Press, and it has some of those nice colors here, and paired together I think it looks gorgeous. Behind that, I have in front of my inbox, and I love the way this is set up because it's my inbox, but I also have here a Believe in Yourself. This one is from DLM Paper Co., and I really like how this is set up. This is a vellum, but it's laminated. So then you have here a Believe in Yourself words, which is really, really nice to read through that. And then this is my inbox section here. I believe this is from planner press, and then I have some clear sticky notes here as well, which I use throughout the week for any of my urgent top priorities and to-dos, and I'm changing them out as the week progresses. Usually on Sunday, I will go through and add what I need to focus on and get them checked off during the week, and then on following Sunday, take those out and add new ones. So it's just become part of the routine. And if you could see here, I've paired that with this really nice glittery background, cheetah background. It looks glittery, but there's no glitter on it, so that's why I really love it. And I think paired together, it just looks really nice. So that's how I've paired and updated my work section. And then lastly, I'm gonna go all the way to the back because this whole section alone is just for work. Houses all of my cases that I'm working on for the law firm. And then back here, this one is new. Also, this is for my sticker section, but I wanted something fun. So I found this beautiful vellum from Planner Press. It's from Walt Disney background. And she says here, wish upon a star on her shirt. When you wish upon a star here on this side. And I just paired that with this red dashboard that I created myself. And I think that looks really, really pretty together. So I love turning to this. And in this section, remember, I just have some extra stickers that I use throughout the year. This is a newer sheet, but you could see I have been using some of the holidays. It just makes it easier to have those here so that as I'm planning, I'm like, oh, I need a holiday sticker, and I know it's here and I don't have to look around for it. And then the back, I've just kept this gold leaves here. This is also from Jane's Agenda. It's a laminated vellum dashboard, so it's pretty thick, and I like the way that sits there. So that's the planner part. And then I have this top loading pocket here. This is a Filofax one that came with my lemon agenda. I really love it. It's nice and soft. The material is just really soft, but I went ahead and updated it while I was updating the agenda, and I put some pockets on here so that I could put some additional inspirational quotes, because I think you can never have enough inspirational quotes. And then inside the pocket, I do have this extra dashboard that came from Jane's Agenda from one of my orders. And then I put this one here. I also went ahead and cut this one to size, and then I can slip in some additional stuff there. I can also put credit cards as necessary, but I don't carry credit cards in this one. That's more for my personal, my pocket, for on the go. And in the back, I added one more here so that I can put anything additional, and I just have this one here from Noted. And then this really cute one that came with one of my Black Friday orders. I can't remember what shop it's from, but I thought it was super cute, so I just went ahead and set it there. And then in the back here, I just have some extra dot stickers. I still have the fall cards, which I need to change out. But for now, I like the way they look, so I just keep them here. And that's the way it sits. And then my pen, this is a new pen that I received from Jane's Agenda that I'm testing out. It's working really nicely so far. I love the thin pens to write in my planner, but this is it. This is our flip through of our chunky LV agenda. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them below. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I hope to see you all on the next one. Happy holidays!